In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Google Play Protect. So if you want to disable the Protect for whatever reason, go ahead and open the Play Store. Once it loads, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down to where it says Play Protect. And then in the gear icon in the top right, press on that. And then where it says Scan Apps with Play Protect, you can see it's currently enabled. So toggle it off. You will then get this pop up. You can either pause it, turn it off, or cancel your decision. But in this case, we're going to turn it off. You may need to put your password in, which I'm being asked. And there you can see the Play Protect setting has now been turned off. And that's how we disable Google Play Protect.